Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to change your Discord password if you forgot it. I will show you two ways: how to change your password in the desktop version and how to change your password in the mobile app. Please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Let's see the first way. Open your Discord on your computer. Click on the user settings in the bottom left corner. Scroll down a little bit. You will see here the Change Password button. After clicking on it, we can see that it asks for the current password to set a new password. But we don't know the current password, so what you have to do is click on Cancel. Scroll down and click on Log Out. After logging out, you will see the login screen. Enter your email or phone number registered with the account you want to change the password for. Then click Forget Password. Discord will send you instructions for changing the password on your email or phone number. You will get an email like this. Click on Reset Password. Write a new password and click on Change Password. To change the password on the mobile app, open Discord app. Tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Tap here to log out. Tap on Log In. Enter your email or number here and tap on Forgot Your Password. Then check your email from Discord. Tap on Reset Password and set a new password. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.